Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm preparing this cucumber stew. I'm not using tomatoes. I saw this recipe on IG and I decided to try it. So these are my cucumbers here. They are thoroughly washed and I removed the seed. I'm going to be using just patache and shomgbo, onions, ginger and garlic. So now I'll blend the cucumbers and now sieve the water out before I blend the onions and the tomato and the peppers. I'm done blending the cucumber. I'll now add it to my strainer so the water will go out. You know, cucumber has a lot of water. I don't want it to be your stew, so I'll drain out the water for another use. So now I'll go ahead and blend the peppers. You can see there's no tomatoes in the plate here. In Nigeria, where I base, tomatoes is very expensive. So women are looking for ways to prepare recipes without tomatoes. So this is what I'm just doing here now. So guys, you can see I'm done blending. That is our blended cucumber. Then this is the blended pepper, onions, ginger and garlic. So now we start cooking. So guys, I'm about to start cooking our cucumber stew. The pot is on the fire now. Let me allow the water to dry very well. Okay, the water is dried now, and I'll add in my vegetable oil into the pot. Allow it to be hot too. The oil is hot now, so I'll add in my chopped onions, allow it to fry. Let it release all its flavors into the oil. You fry this for about 3 minutes. The onions is fried now, so I'll add in the daddy of the day, which is the cucumber. You know, cucumber has a lot of water, so I'll just allow it to fry and to be dry too. So I'm adding the blended cucumber. So the cucumber has been frying for like 5 minutes. So I'll add in the blended pepper now, let it fry and allow the water to dry very well. I'll cover the pot now and let it start cooking. Guys, can you see our cucumber stew? Does it look like cucumber? Tell me in the comment section. But if you have been following me from the beginning of this video and you haven't liked, please click the like button, give the video a thumbs up, keep sharing. If you haven't subscribed, please. And if you have been following me, thank you so very much. So now I'll add the fish stock because I'm using fish for this stew. Then I'll add some salt, my cube, all-purpose seasoning, some fish spice, then curry powder. I'll stir very well. You can see just splattering everywhere. The aroma in my kitchen is so giving. I never knew this would come out like this, but see, everywhere is just, the flavor everywhere is something else. So allow it to cook for like 3 minutes more. Wow, the taste is something else. I'm not lying. So I'll cover it to cook for some more. So guys, I'll be adding my fried fish now. You can use in the comment section. Let the fish absorb some of the nice flavors from this stew. This can go with rice, it can go with pasta, it can go with boiled yam, boiled potato. Necessity, they say, is mother of invention. Since tomatoes price doesn't want to come down, mothers will invent ways of preparing their stews now. We have done carrot stew earlier on in one of my videos. Now it is cucumber stew. I will come up with another thing for stew. So I'll test for salt now, then I'll turn off the heat. We are done. The salt is okay, pepper is okay. The seasoning just perfect for this. So I'll sprinkle some of my spring onions now, and then I'll turn off the heat. So guys, I'm done with our cucumber stew. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.